Shalom Chavarim, this is Richard Solomon, and this will be a demonstration or tutorial on how you use a website called Freeology.com, which enables the Judaic educator or student to be able to download different types of graphic organizers. So the first thing you do is you get to Freeology.com, and you see over here where it says graphic organizers, you have a variety of different type of graphic organizers, one of which is a 4-column chart. And if you click on this, you'll be able to get to the 4-column chart, which I already have here. Okay, so this is the 4-column chart. And in a moment, I'm going to show you how you make this 4-column chart into something you could use for Judaic instruction or staff development. We'll actually be converting this to a 4-column chart on the Chagim. All right, so the first thing you want to do is right-click and then save it. Hit Save As, and that'll take you, place it on your computer. I'll just basically show you how you do that. You hit Save As, and then you place that, in my case, on my desktop, and you just hit Save, and it's on your computer. Okay, so I'll show you where it's on my computer. Okay, let me just go. So here it is. This. Okay, so the next thing what we want to do is we want to convert this chart for Judaic instruction. And one way you do that is to use a PDF editing web tool. There are a variety of different PDF editing tools you can do, but the one that I like to do is called PDF Escape. Okay, so let's click on PDF Escape. You see over here it says Choose File and then Upload. So what you do is you click on Choose File. You find the file that's on your desktop, and you find it, and then you just open it, and it will then upload it onto. Okay, so you hit Open over here, and then it'll be uploaded onto your screen. Okay. So there it is. And from here, you can actually write on this chart and modify it. You can write text, place images, place links. You can white it out. You can draw freehand, etc. So let me show you what I've done, okay? So what I did is I wrote, by hitting the text option, I wrote my name, I wrote today's date, and I wrote some questions related to Chagim. In this case, we're using the example of Rosh Hashanah. So here are the questions that I, as a teacher, might want my students to complete. When does Rosh Hashanah occur? What foods are eaten during Rosh Hashanah? What common Hebrew phrase is said during Rosh Hashanah? And what special sound is heard in shul during Rosh Hashanah? So let's answer the question over here, just to give you an example. And when does Rosh Hashanah occur? And the answer is the first 2 days of Tishrei. So look, you click on text, all right? You go over here, let's click on it, and let's write over here. See this? And you could make the size of the font any size you want. You could boldface it, you could italicize it, you can underline it. So let's write the first 2 days of Tishrei. Okay, and then students could do the same thing for what foods are eaten. They might indicate that you dip sliced apples into honey. Over here, what a common Hebrew phrase is said during Rosh Hashanah. They might want to write in Hebrew or transliteration Shana Tova or Shana Tova U'Meteka, Ketiva V'Chatma Tova. And in this column, they might want to answer what special sound is heard in Shul during Rosh Hashanah. Of course, the answer is the shofar. And when you're finished, you simply go and save it. So you could save it here, or you could save it over here. And that's basically how you do it. So let's just go down and save it. Okay, we'll call this Rosh Hashanah. Rosh Hashanah. Graphic organizer will say graphic organizer, right? And let's put it on the desktop, right? And let's save it. And let's go here and find it. Let's find the Rosh Hashanah graphic organizer. There it is, right? Here's the name, here's the date, and here's what we converted the PDF to one that would be appropriate for the Judaic instruction or staff development. So what have we said? What we have said is that the graphic organizing web tool, Freeology, can be used for Judaic instruction. And the teacher or student can use the free graphic organizers to modify their graphic organizers for Judaic instruction. And we gave an example of how to do the Chagim, and we used PDF Escape as a vehicle to edit the PDF. Thank you so much.